Good job. Don't go anywhere. 19th century or earlier began. We're now going to do a contra dance. We're standing in a double line facing our partner with people on either side of us who are not our partner. Just join hands with the people on either side of you, not with the partner. There you go. In these lines, we're going to go forward and back. It's 4 little steps up, 4 little steps back. Now drop hands and trade places with your partner. Walk straight forward, turn around the face. It's called a pass through. Join hands in your long lines, go forward and back. And pass through, back across the set. Now the top couple only is going to sashay all the way to the bottom. Yee-haw! Sliding step. And all the way back to the top. There you go. Now everybody face up, stand right next to your partner. Top couple is going to separate, go down the outside. Everybody follow the person in front of them. Top couple, when you meet at the bottom, make an arch. Everybody else, meet at the bottom, come up through the arch with your partner.
And then we're now the head.
Yeah, we might make an arch. I'm not sure.
Now, everybody make an arch so you have a tunnel. And the original top couple, one goes up the center and one goes up the outside. There you go. Good job.
You okay with that?
When they get to the top, one who goes down the outside, one goes down the center. You go that way.
And now we're the top.
Okay, now it's okay.
And you'll get your chance in a bit. That's the dance all the way through. We're ready to start over with a new top couple. Since we're the original experienced top couple, we're going to go back to the top.
I'm just saying, I get credit for saying I would dance, but I don't have a butt.
Oh, right there.
No. Oh, I get credit for it.
You get credit.
The videographer may dance with you.
He just told me. He just told me he used to be a dancer, so so I'm telling.
Yeah.
He has no excuse.
Just keep holding it and following the action. It's on. Don't worry about it.
A
Okay.
prize-winning dancer.
Just leave that red light on. We're good. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. Got my daughter's Fordham cap.
He's not just a partner, I think.
Ah.
He's coming.
Oh, he's on. Oh, there he is.
No problem.
Oh, you'll have plenty of time to figure it out. So we're going to join hands in our long lines. And with the music, we'll dance the bridge at Athlone. One line, forward and back. Pass through, trade places with your partner. Face your partner, go forward and back. Pass through, trade places. Top couple, sashay down. Sashay back. Everybody, face up. Top couple, separate. Down the outside.
Give yourselves a round of applause and this young lady a loud scream.
Huzzah! Huzzah!